Good day, everybody. Finally making some progress while Uma's healing. I've been able to sneak away once in a while when Kate or Carson's in the house to watch Miss Uma so she doesn't lick her wounds or anything. But we're a weekend. She's off 2 of her meds and she's doing well. She's sometimes even walking on her leg, which is a miracle because they had to cut this piece of bone out. You should see how the surgery was. It was crazy. But anyhow, yeah, look at my front grill there. It's all re-plasti dipped. And I replaced my fantastic fan vent lid. It came a little warped actually, so I'll show you what I did. It wasn't fitting on the seals all the way. I put a can of soup on it. Hopefully warp it back into shape. But yeah, I don't know if my other one was completely faded out with all the UV over the years, since it's almost a 9-year-old van, but it was like this faded green color. But anyway, a lot more light coming in, I guess. And if this doesn't fix it, I get too much air, I'll just replace it with one of those other vents. It's pretty easy to do. I caulked around all the hinge, so that should be all good now. So yeah, other than the warp coming out of it, I hope we're all good. Now, the only thing I really want to do on the outside is refresh the plasti dip on my rims, but I got to clean those up. It's been sunny and rainy and sunny and rainy all the time. Can't guarantee any days, so hopefully tomorrow is going to be a full sunny day and I can back it out and wash the rims and let them dry and put a fresh coat of plasti dip on them. And then I'll be done what I want to do. And then hopefully I can go camping somewhere. Anywhere, really. Still waiting to hear from the Earthright shelters. I think they're going to have my design ready this week, so I'm going to go see them hopefully tomorrow or the next day. And I've already been to the dentist. Yeah, getting shit done. How about that? So yeah, that's where we're at. And we'll see you in a bit. What's happening, guys? So I've had enough of the city. I think Uma has too. Although she always likes being in the house and being able to stretch out because she can't fully stretch out here in the van. But yeah, we both needed to get away. She needs to do some healing. And yeah, I just need something other than a driveway. I haven't been doing much other than those couple fixes that I did the other day. Skylight's doing great. Or the fantastic vent thing's doing great. And the grill looks fantastic. And Uma is healing well. She's now 10 days into her possible 110 days to go. That's crazy. But she's doing well. I don't have her donut on her right now. She's being really decent about leaving her wound alone. So that's a good thing for sure. Where is she? There you are. Schmooper the Duper. Hi. How are you? How's your leg doing? Let's see if we can see the wound. See, it looks really good. But yeah, I am back at this freaking beautiful place. Good spot to come. Wasn't too busy with it being a Friday. So yeah, picked the primo spot right on the edge of the water. Might have some showers here and there, but that is what it is. Would have been showering down in Revelstoke, so much happier to be here. Got yawning a little. Making a coffee, as you guys can see. Oh, there's the front grill. Check it out. Looking brand new again. Shiny and new. Come aboard. So yeah, welcome back to Lake Revelstoke. I think I have to be back next week anyway to meet up with Blake, the tiny home builder. I think they have the design done, and we're going to pick out a few more things for inside. And yeah, I'm getting excited. I think it's almost time for them to start ordering the walls, because I think I've said before it's not regular framing in there. It's like a sandwich of OSB and insulation stuff. So yeah, that'll be really cool to see. And then all the channels are CNC'd out for electrical and plumbing and so on. Yeah, really interested to see how this thing goes together, that's for sure. And yeah, this is where we are. I'm going to get my coffee and relax for a little bit. I forgot to mention that while Uma's been healing, I've been feeding her only raw dog food, thinking that's going to be much more nutritious for her healing process and everything. She's 3 half-pound pucks of raw meat every day. So yeah, you go through the box pretty good, but it's really good prices in Revelstoke. It's a local place called Revy Raw, and yeah, they have all the different kinds there. I get an assorted box, which is all the different kinds: beef and lamb and pork and whatever else, chicken probably. But yeah, like just to bring it here for 3 days. You've got a whole baggie full of pucks. It takes up probably at least a quarter of the freezer just for the weekend. And she has food for dinner tonight thawing out in the fridge already. So it's just phenomenal how much freezer space I'd have to have if I was feeding her raw all the time. One of those boxes of these 24 pucks would probably take up at least half of the freezer there. And my other freezer is basically useless. I have to thaw that out, actually. It's all encrusted in ice right now. I don't know if you could fit a package of hot dogs in there. But yeah, that's something else I have to do next week. And yeah, just looking forward to getting this tiny house moving and seeing stuff start being built. Can't wait. I think I'm going to do a time lapse at his place, leave a camera there, and do daily time lapses of the house being built, which I think will be good. Everybody will enjoy that, I think. Yeah? No? Anyhow, I'm getting my coffee again. I'm gonna relax. We'll see you guys soonish. Hi, Uma. How you doing? You good girl. You taking a little relaxing nap inside? The sun was too hot for you? Yeah, it's the next day. I enjoyed last night, peaceful and quiet. A few more people showed up, obviously, behind me, but I've met them before. They're all cool people. Mostly from Quebec. But yeah, I've kind of decided that I'm not going to upload videos on Sundays anymore. As you can see, this one wasn't uploaded on Sunday. I think I'm going to start on like maybe Tuesdays or Wednesdays. I think Sunday's just too overrun for everybody uploading videos, and I get buried in the mess sort of thing. So I'm going to try a different day. I think I'm going to try Tuesday this week, see how that works out. And yeah, why not try something different? And that's it for this week. If you guys haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it. And so would Uma. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.